So we did the Schmidt decomposition. Let's now do purifications. This is another surprising thing. Certainly surprising without the Schmidt decomposition, but this makes it easy for us to see why it's true and easy for us to prove. So the statement goes as following. We have a theorem. Given a mixed state, which I'll denote rho A for reasons that will become clear shortly. Let me write this as rho A being equal to a sum over I, pi, I outer product I. And I'm going to be clear here and denote that this is a an expression for the state on subsystem A because we're going to introduce some other reference state. So remember, a mixed state is one which has purity less than 1. That is, the trace of rho squared is less than 1. It means there's more than one outer product in this expression. More than one pi is non-zero. So there's not a single outer product, but in a sense, there will be a single outer product as long as we introduce additional degrees of freedom through a reference state. So we can introduce a reference state, which I don't love the notation in the textbook, but I'll use it so that it's the same. Just cat R that has an orthonormal basis with orthonormal basis I sub R. And a pure state on this joint system on AR. So that I'll denote that psi sub AR. So it's the original system that we had, which we denoted A, and then we're augmenting that with some reference system. Defined in the following way. So it will be a sum over I of the square root of pi, the coefficients that appear here, times IA, IR. Such that once I trace out the reference system, I actually get back the mixed state, rho sub A, that we started with. So such that rho A is equal to the trace over R of psi AR, where this pure state now, this is a pure state on the composite space of the system that we started with the reference system. And this is a very interesting thing that whenever you have something noisy or mixed or non-unitary, as I mentioned before, that happens because the system itself is interacting with its environment. So you'll often hear this called the church of the larger Hilbert space. Church of the larger Hilbert space. So in this context, that means that sure, we can have a mixed state on some system that we care about, but we can equally think about that as another pure state as long as we augment it with this reference system. So this psi AR is a pure state on the composite system, A and R. The proof of this is directly from the Schmidt decomposition, just going backwards. So in the interest of time, I won't really write that down, but I'll just say, why it's true. It's essentially the reverse of this proof. Here we have a square of the lambda i's, and that's why we put a square root of the probability pi in there. And so if you think about sort of retracing these steps but backwards, you'll come to a proof of this theorem.